Hey, if you want to change date and the time on your Huawei Nova Y61, first you have to open the settings and then you have to scroll down and go to the system and the updates. Right now we have to select date and the time, and first we can turn on or off the 24-hour time. So we can switch between 12 or 24 hour. We can also set this time automatically or manually, but if you want to do this manually, just click here to turn it off, and first you can set the date just right here by sliding like that. Click OK to confirm. Then we can set the time. We can select between AM or PM if we are using 12-hour format, and also we can set the time zone just right here. Below we can also turn on or off the dual clocks and pick the home city if you want by tapping and selecting one of it. And that's all. Bye!